Guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can already tell from the title, today's video is just a quick TTDI contact lens try on. I got some new contacts from them. I showed you guys one ocean gray, which has to be one of my absolute favorite contact lenses. I need a minute there. If you haven't seen that video, you should probably go check it out, please. Okay, I'm gonna leave a link somewhere on the screen. Make sure to check it out. So I also wanted to mention that TTDI is having a massive Black Friday sales, which is happening right now as you're watching this video. Hopefully, if you're watching this video early. But anyways, I think they have it up until December 1st. They also gave me a link. You could buy 5 contacts and get 5 free. You could also use my code, which is VAINLIKEME, for some extra dollars off. Okay? They do give you some free, I guess I want to call them, what do you call these? These are just contact lens kits, I guess. Yeah, they do give you a kit, a free kit for each lens. And then they give some stickers. I think I showed that in my last try on. Just wanted to show that again. And then some glitter, I guess. Glittery stuff and a hand mirror. I'm not gonna open it because I do have a mirror here. So we're just gonna use this. Just gonna use what we have. So the contacts I got donut gray, I got real India, I got real aqua, and ocean gray again, which we already tried on. So let's get started with real aqua. Okay, next I'm gonna try donut gray. Next up I've got, what's the name? I have real India one. I think this one's so pretty and different too as well. They all kind of looked kind of similar to me, but this one seems different. I totally love it. And the last but not the least is ocean gray. I think this is still my favorite. I really love this one. I also love the real India. I think that one's different. I really like that one too. I think with contacts it's kind of hard to pick a favorite. Each one has a little different, you know, a little different spice. Yeah, but these are all so beautiful. But if I was to choose, I think I would definitely go with this one that I have on right now, which is ocean gray. Okay, so that's about it for this try on, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll leave a link to the buy 5 get 5 free. I'll also leave my affiliate code. It's quite easy. It's just VAINLIKEME. You can use that to get some extra money off. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys so much. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notifications so you're notified whenever I post a new video, which hopefully should be very soon. Okay, all right, thank you guys so much. I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.